Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get approved Webull Options Easy Guide. Complete your application with truthful employment and investment details, and choose the options tier that fits your experience. Upload a clear government ID, link your bank, and fund the account to meet margin or day trading thresholds. Read and accept Webull's options disclosure, practice with paper trading to build experience, and request a manual review if automatic approval is denied. Start by knowing the exact permissions each Webull tier grants and honestly match your experience to the appropriate level. Gather proof of options experience, transcripts, or trading statements and have screenshots ready to upload. Ensure your account has sufficient liquid funds to satisfy margin expectations and show risk capacity, which improves approval odds and speeds up manual reviews when needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more options tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for studying options strategies away from your desk. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time. Your support truly helps us make clearer guides and faster updates. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid typical mistakes like inconsistent income, vague experience answers, and insufficient funding that trigger denials. Keep concise, honest descriptions of your options history and emphasize education or certifications you have completed. Organize statements and screenshots for quick submission, and if denied, calmly gather stronger documentation, explain changes in an appeal, and request a manual review to increase approval chances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.